According to Mark Rober, the classic indoor pool smell is actually caused by pee. He did this experiment where he filled 2 buckets full of water, added a bunch of chlorine to both of them, and then added a tiny bit of pee to only one of the buckets. 24 hours later, and the only bucket that smelled like a pool was the pee bucket.
What?
Now that might seem like a pretty conclusive experiment, but here's the thing. We don't just pee in pools. We sweat in them, our hair comes out in them, we get sunscreen in them, we get deodorant in them, we get snot in them, and more than anything else, this is gonna be gross, I apologize, we spit in them. So I redid Mark's experiment with all of these substances, and it was pretty surprising. All right, here we are. It's 24 hours later, and now my whole basement smells like an indoor pool. First, the control. Yeah, definitely getting some indoor pool aroma from the control. That's not that surprising. I used a lot of chlorine. All right, let's try spit. Now, the way I'm gonna test these is I'm gonna smell the control, and then I'm gonna smell the test one and see if it's more intense. So let's try this. Oh, yeah. This smells like an indoor pool that you just know hasn't been cleaned in many months. Let's try snot. A little bit more, not much. All right, here we go. Let's do sweat. Woo! Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. Oh, yeah, that smells just like spit. I mean, it smells just like the spit flask, is what I mean. For the amount of sweat that I actually put in this flask, I am pretty surprised at the level of intensity of this odor. Next up, hair. I predict, oh, no, look at this. It turned my hair white. And then I remembered that this is basically bleach, and bleach bleaches things. Yeah. Before I saw my white hair in here, I thought there's no way this is gonna smell like anything, but now maybe. No, smells the exact same. Next up, we have deodorant. Wow, that smells just like the deodorant I put in there. But what it does not smell like is indoor pool. Okay, and then we have sunscreen. Yes, this smells more like indoor pool than this does. I mean, sunscreen has a lot of stuff in it. I guess I'm not all that surprised that some of it ends up reacting with bleach to form chloramines, but it's interesting that this does it and the deodorant does not. So yes, that classic indoor pool smell is caused by pee, but it's also caused a little bit by sunscreen and also by sweat and by spit. I'm not sure if that is better or worse. No, it's worse. It's definitely worse.